Once upon a time, in a lush green forest filled with tall trees and sparkling streams, there lived a little squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was smaller than other squirrels and had a bigger heart and the shiniest eyes. He loved exploring the forest, climbing trees, and collecting acorns for the winter. One sunny morning, as Sammy was hopping through the forest, he noticed something unusual. A golden acorn was laying at the base of the oldest tree in the forest, the great oak. The acorn sparkled like it was filled with starlight. Sammy's eyes widened with curiosity. He had never seen anything like it before. As he picked up the acorn, a soft, warm voice echoed around him. "Hello, little one," the voice said. Sammy looked around but saw no one. "Down here," the voice laughed. It was coming from the acorn. "You can talk?" Sammy asked, his tiny paws trembling with excitement. "I am a magical acorn," it replied. "I've been waiting for a brave squirrel like you to find me. The forest needs your help." Sammy tilted his head. "Me? But I'm just a little squirrel. What can I do?" The acorn glowed brighter. "The great oak is sick, and without its magic, the forest will lose its color and life. You must take me to the top of the great oak and plant me in the soil at its highest branch. Only then the forest can be saved." Sammy's heart raced. The great oak was the tallest tree in the forest, but he knew that he had to try. "I'll do it," he said bravely. With the magical acorn safely tucked in his pouch, Sammy began his climb. The first few branches were easy, but as he went higher, the wind grew stronger and the branches became thinner. His paw slipped a few times, but he held on tightly, thinking of the forest and all his friends who depended on him. Halfway up, Sammy met a family of birds. "Where are you going, little squirrel?" they chirped. "I'm saving the forest," Sammy explained, showing them the magical acorn. The birds cheered on him. "You're so brave. Let us help you." They flew ahead, guarding him to the safest branches. Finally, after what felt like hours, Sammy reached the very top of the great oak. The view was breathtaking. The entire forest stretched out below him, a sea of green and gold. But Sammy didn't stop to admire it. He quickly dug a small hole in the soil of the highest branch and planted the magical acorn. As soon as he did, the acorn began to glow even brighter. A wave of golden light spread through the tree and across the forest. The leaves of the great oak turned a vibrant green, and the flowers below burst into bloom. The forest was alive with color and magic once more. The voice of the magical acorn spoke for the last time. "Thank you, Sammy. Your courage has saved the forest." Remember, even the smallest creatures can make the biggest difference. From that day on, Sammy was known as the brave little squirrel. The other animals admired him, and the great oak tree grew even taller, and every year a new golden acorn would appear at its base. reminding everyone of Sammy's heroic adventure. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the magical story of the brave little squirrel and the magical Acorn. Remember, even the smallest acts of courage can make a big difference. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more magical adventures. See you in the next adventure.